Make this move during sex. Look deeply into your partner's eyes. This will strengthen your emotional bond and boost your sexual energy. Watch your partner's reaction and enjoy the moment. Remember, this simple move can take your sexual experience to a whole new level. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to cover a topic that most people aren't aware of: how to awaken sexual energy. By delving into the depths of Stoic philosophy, you'll learn how to discover this power and integrate it into your life. Before we start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're ready, let's start the journey of awakening your sexual energy. 1. Sexuality and inner power. Sexuality is often perceived as just a physical act. However, in reality, it's a much deeper and more complex experience. Sexuality is a reflection of your inner strength, emotional state, and mental health. Stoic philosophy teaches us that everything is based on inner strength and balance. In order to awaken your sexual energy and integrate it into other areas of your life, it's important to first discover and accept this inner power. The first step to discovering your inner power is to understand yourself and your needs. Accepting yourself is an important step in awakening your sexual energy. In this process, knowing and respecting your body plays a critical role in your sexual health. Discovering your sexuality requires being at peace with your own body. This will increase your self-confidence and naturally increase your sexual energy. According to Stoic philosophy, it is important to establish an internal balance against external factors. This also applies to your sexual life. We should live our sexuality by maintaining our own internal balance against the pressures and expectations from the outside world. While discovering your inner power, you can calm your mind and release your sexual energy with techniques such as meditation and mindfulness. In this section, we learn that sexuality is not just a physical act, but also about internal power and balance. Discovering your own inner power is the first and most important step to awakening your sexual energy. By understanding yourself and your needs, you can integrate this power into your life and have a more satisfying sexual experience. 2. Mental preparation and meditation. Another important step in awakening your sexual energy is mental preparation. Our mind is a major factor with its control over our body and its role in our sexual experiences. In order to release your sexual energy, you must first prepare your mind for this experience. Mental preparation is possible with meditation and mindfulness techniques. These techniques calm your mind, reduce your stress level, and increase your sexual energy. Meditation is a very powerful tool in awakening your sexual energy. Regular meditation sessions every day calm your mind and provide inner balance. During this process, you send oxygen to every corner of your body by breathing deeply and regulate your energy flow. Meditation also provides mental clarity and increases your sexual energy. With this technique, you can clear your mind of negative thoughts and feel more sexually open. Mindfulness is the practice of being aware of the moment. With this technique, you learn to be fully present in your sexual experiences. By focusing on each of the moments you spend with your partner, you strengthen your emotional and physical bond. In addition to increasing your sexual energy, mindfulness also increases your sexual satisfaction. With this technique, you can make your sexual experiences more intense and meaningful. Mental preparation and meditation are effective methods for awakening your sexual energy. By preparing your mind for this experience, you can release your sexual energy and have a more satisfying sexual life. By integrating the techniques you learn in this section into your daily life, you can always keep your sexual energy high. 3. Healthy life and nutrition. Adopting a healthy lifestyle is very important to awaken and sustain your sexual energy. A healthy life ensures that your body and mind work at an optimum level. This directly affects your sexual energy. Balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep are critical elements for your sexual health. In this section, we will examine the effects of a healthy life and nutrition on sexual energy. Healthy nutrition is one of the basic ways to increase your sexual energy. Getting the vitamins and minerals your body needs positively affects your general health and sexual performance. In particular, nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B are very important for your sexual health. By including foods containing these nutrients in your diet, you can increase your sexual energy naturally. Regular exercise increases your body's energy level and improves your sexual performance. Exercise speeds up your blood circulation and sends more oxygen to every corner of your body. This helps increase your sexual energy level. Exercises such as cardio and weightlifting can positively affect your sexual health. You can keep your sexual energy high by exercising regularly a few days a week. Adequate sleep is vital for the renewal of your body and mind. Insomnia can negatively affect your sexual energy level. Regular and quality sleep improves your sexual performance by balancing your hormone levels. You can protect your sexual energy and general health by taking care to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Healthy living and nutrition are the basic elements of awakening and sustaining your sexual energy. By integrating the tips you learned in this section into your daily life, you can always keep your sexual energy high. You can optimize your sexual health and performance by adopting a healthy lifestyle. 4. Physical activity and exercise. Another important way to awaken your sexual energy is to get regular physical activity and exercise. Moving your body not only improves your overall health, but also increases your sexual energy levels. Exercise increases your blood circulation and releases happiness hormones such as endorphins. These hormones positively affect both your mood and sexual desire. Cardio exercises are a great way to increase your sexual health. Cardio activities such as running, swimming, and cycling improve your heart health and increase your blood circulation. This allows more blood to flow to your sexual organs, increasing your sexual performance and energy. You can improve your sexual health by doing cardio exercises at least 3 times a week. Weightlifting and resistance exercises are also effective in increasing your sexual energy. By increasing your muscle mass, you can increase your body's overall strength and endurance. This provides more energy and performance during sexual activities. In addition, lifting weights can increase your testosterone levels, which naturally increases your sexual desire. You can keep your sexual energy high by doing weight training twice a week. Stretching and yoga are another way to awaken your sexual energy. These activities increase your body's flexibility and reduce your stress levels. Yoga and stretching provide mental clarity and increase your sexual energy. In addition, some yoga poses can stimulate your sexual energy centers, improving your sexual performance. By doing yoga and stretching regularly, you can optimize both your physical and sexual health. In conclusion, regular physical activity and exercise are vital to awakening and maintaining your sexual energy. By integrating the techniques you learn in this section into your daily life, you can always keep your sexual energy high. A healthy body is the foundation of a healthy sex life. 5. Emotional connection and partner relationships. One of the most important ways to awaken your sexual energy is to strengthen your emotional connection and partner relationships. A healthy and strong emotional bond positively affects your sex life. The quality of your relationship with your partner directly affects your sexual energy levels. Therefore, it is important to strengthen your emotional connection and deepen your relationship. The first step is open and honest communication. Sharing your feelings and needs openly with your partner strengthens the emotional bond between you. Good communication develops mutual understanding and empathy. This also reflects positively on your sexual life. You can increase your emotional bond and sexual energy by talking to your partner regularly. Spending quality time together is another way to strengthen your emotional bond. Finding common interests and doing activities that you enjoy together deepens your relationship. In this process, you reinforce your love and bond with each other. Shared memories and experiences strengthen the emotional bond between you and increase your sexual energy. Another factor that strengthens the emotional bond is the power of touch. Physical contact strengthens the bond between you and increases your sexual energy. Simple touches such as holding hands, hugging and massaging strengthen your bond with your partner. These touches provide energy flow between your bodies and increase your sexual desire. Finally, it is important to be understanding and patient with each other. Every relationship can experience ups and downs. During this process, supporting your partner and making them feel that you are by their side strengthens your emotional bond. Understanding and patience ensure that your relationship is built on solid foundations. This positively affects your sexual energy and performance. 6. Sexual fantasies and creativity. One of the most effective ways to awaken your sexual energy and spice up your sexual life is to release your sexual fantasies and creativity. While sexual fantasies feed your sexual desires and energy, using your creativity makes your sexual experiences more exciting and satisfying. In this section, you will learn how to discover and bring your sexual fantasies to life and how to use your creativity. Sexual fantasies are products of imagination that increase your sexual energy and revitalize your sexual life. These fantasies help you discover your sexual desires and needs. To release your fantasies, first create an environment where you feel comfortable and safe. This allows your mind to wander freely and explore your fantasies. Sharing your fantasies with your partner strengthens the bond between you and enriches your sexual life. By talking openly and honestly with your partner, you can discover new experiences together and bring your sexual fantasies to life. Mutual respect and understanding are very important in this process. By respecting your partner's boundaries, you can create shared fantasies. Using your creativity makes your sexual experiences more exciting. Creative activities such as sexual games, costumes, and role-playing increase your sexual energy and add a new dimension to your relationship. Such activities add fun and excitement to your sexual life while also strengthening your bond with your partner. By using your sexual creativity, you can get out of your routine and diversify your sexual experiences. While releasing your sexual fantasies and creativity, also consider your limits and comfort zones. Knowing your own limits and exploring these limits with your partner makes your sexual experiences safer and more satisfying. Communication and empathy are very important in this process. Understanding your partner's feelings and needs strengthens the bond between you and increases your sexual energy. In conclusion, sexual fantasies and creativity are effective ways to awaken your sexual energy and spice up your sexual life. By applying the techniques and tips you have learned in this section, you can explore your sexual fantasies and have a more satisfying sexual life by using your sexual creativity. To keep your sexual energy always high, unleash your fantasies and creativity. You have learned how to awaken and sustain your sexual energy. By integrating these techniques into your daily life, you can have a more satisfying sexual life. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment.